The earth beneath our feet, a seemingly immutable foundation for human civilization, harbors a heart of fire and a breath of storms. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of mountains, nature's fury knows no bounds. Volcanoes erupt, spewing molten lava and shrouding the skies in ash. Earthquakes rend the ground, toppling cities and reshaping landscapes in the blink of an eye. These events, often unpredictable and always awe-inspiring, remind us of our precarious existence. We build our homes on this dynamic planet, yet we are at the mercy of its whims. From the earliest settlements to the modern metropolis, natural disasters have shaped our destiny. Yet, for all their destructive potential, these natural disasters also serve as a testament to the resilience of life. The story of humanity's relationship with Earth's fury is one of both vulnerability and resilience, a constant dance between adaptation and destruction. The annals of history whisper tales of ancient cataclysms that forever altered the course of human civilization. Long before written records, natural disasters left their mark on the archaeological record, hinting at the immense power of these events to reshape societies. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, burying the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum beneath a torrent of ash and pumice, serves as a chilling reminder of nature's raw power. Further back in time, geological evidence suggests that a massive volcanic eruption, perhaps the Thera eruption around 1600 BC, may have contributed to the decline of the Minoan civilization. Tsunamis, colossal waves generated by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, have also left their mark on human history. Ancient texts from Greece and China tell of devastating tsunamis that swallowed entire cities, leaving behind only fragments of once thriving civilizations. By studying these past events, we can gain insights into the potential impacts of future disasters and develop strategies to mitigate their destructive effects. The 20th and 21st centuries have witnessed a sobering procession of natural disasters, each etching its own chapter in humanity's struggle against nature's fury. From the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami to the 2010 Haiti earthquake, these events underscore our vulnerability to nature's forces. Climate change has increased the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons have become more frequent and powerful. Flooding, exacerbated by rising sea levels and intense rainfall, is a recurring threat. These disasters highlight the interconnectedness of human society and the natural world. Section 4. Future threats. When nature's fury knows no bounds. While we grapple with the immediate impacts of natural disasters, the future holds a daunting array of potential threats, each capable of unleashing unimaginable devastation. Asteroid impacts, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, remain a very real possibility. A large asteroid colliding with Earth could trigger a global catastrophe, unleashing tsunamis that would dwarf anything in recorded history, igniting wildfires that would consume continents and plunging the planet into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. The Sun, the very source of life on Earth, also poses a potential threat. While our star is remarkably stable, it does experience periods of increased activity, characterized by solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These events can release vast amounts of energy, disrupting communications, damaging satellites, and even knocking out power grids on Earth. By understanding the risks we face, we can begin to develop strategies to mitigate their impacts and ensure the long-term survival of our species. Section 5. Preparing for the inevitable. A call for understanding and action. The Earth's fury, a force as old as time itself, will continue to shape our world for millennia to come. While we cannot prevent natural disasters, we can strive to understand them, to anticipate their impacts, and to build more resilient societies. This requires a multifaceted approach encompassing scientific research, technological innovation, and a fundamental shift in our relationship with the natural world. Investing in early warning systems, strengthening infrastructure, and developing sustainable land use practices are essential steps in building resilience. Educating the public about natural hazards and fostering a culture of preparedness can empower individuals and communities to take action to protect themselves. Ultimately, addressing the root causes of climate change, which is exacerbating the frequency and intensity of many natural disasters, is paramount. By embracing a spirit of humility, ingenuity, and collective action, we can navigate the challenges posed by natural disasters and build a more sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come.